Hello everyone, my name is Abigail Schultz. I'll be your host today as we go through the mail merge. So I'm pretty excited about the mail merge because it's going to save you a ton of time. One of the great things about it is there's no more copy and paste. Everything's going to be automatic. So let's go ahead and get started here. On the left-hand side, if you go ahead and look at contributions, and then click on statements and click on new statement, we're going to go ahead and create a contribution statement for 2017 since it just passed. So you will want to pick your dates here. We're going to give the statement a name. You can go ahead and choose who you want to print this for. I'm just going to go ahead and do all donors. Then you will have to choose a template. I'm going to go ahead and choose the standard template. Now the standard template is a typical letter, and it's got a couple things in here for you. So it has the merge codes, which means that each donor's name will appear here, address, first name again, total amounts, and so forth. The item list is specifically the different donations that they've done. So it'll be a list of those. You can change anything about this letter. You can create more space. You can put in your logo. You can add a custom message. So you can customize this as needed. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on Print Preview. This will show you how it's actually going to print out. So if you're satisfied with the print preview, you would go ahead and print. It's really nice because let's take this first letter, for example. Here's my donor information. Keep in mind this is a demo account. So your donor's first and last name, information, their contributions here. This is going to be the page that it shows up on. So you'll know on page 3 of 3 that ends this specific donor's contribution letter right here. Then it starts the next donor's contribution letter. So this will be really nice because you can simply just click print. It's going to print out everybody's contribution statement, and then you can start putting them in the envelopes. Now we do have a little bit easier mail merge code that actually will print out the address for you. So if you go ahead and click on templates again, this time click on window envelopes. So if you're familiar with window envelopes, it's that little window that shows you the printed inside the envelope. So we do have a template for you here. You will have to play around a little bit with this template as all those envelopes are very different compared to where that window actually is. So that's nice because you will have the opportunity, let's say, to hit the enter key a number of times to create space or take away space. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the enter key a couple times because in my mind it will be tri-folded for the envelopes that we'll be using here. And I'll go ahead and show you that on Print Preview as well. You can go ahead and change anything about this letter that you would like. But let's go ahead and click on Print Preview now. So this is really nice because this saves you a step with actually writing each donor's address on the envelopes if you do go ahead and get those window envelopes. So now you can see, so here's my tri-fold. I would go ahead and fold it somewhere around this line, and that way that would fit really nicely in that window envelope. I can go ahead and, again, I can go back to the editor, edit anything I'd like about these contribution statements. But again, same thing where once you're at page 3 of 3, that ends this donor's contribution statement, and you'll start the next one. So you can go ahead and print this all out and start mailing. Again, I hope you've learned a lot about the mail merge by Continue to Give and Mission Pillars. I know this is going to save you a ton of time and headache this year. And if you have any questions, feel free to give our customer service a call at 800-684-0550 or customer service at continuetogive.com. Hope you have a great one, and God bless.